Spicy roasted pumpkin seeds are the perfect fall snack that are both healthy and tasty. These things are great for when you're on the go, and they're just amazing. So watch this video and you will learn all about how to make them. Let's turn up the heat. Now to start off with the ingredients, the first thing you're going to need is obviously going to be a pumpkin. So this is just your regular old jack-o'-lantern pumpkin. It's going to be great for when you're making these seeds. We'll also use a bit of salt, this pink Himalayan salt, but just any old salt will work. I'm going to use cayenne powder. I'm going to use a little bit of onion powder just to give it some added flavor. And I'm also going to have some olive oil. You can also just use parchment paper. This is just to prevent them from sticking to the pan. Now the first thing we got to do is we got to get these seeds out of our pumpkin. So I'm going to use a serrated knife, and we're going to cut off the top. If you've made some jack-o'-lanterns, you can also just save the seeds from that. Alright, once we've cut through the top, we're going to take it off. Ow, it's a little spiky. Use my knife, pry it up a bit here. Thing doesn't want to come out. There we go. Got a little pumpkin on my shirt there. Alright, so we're going to take that off and look at all those seeds. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take these seeds out just by hand and try as best you can to separate them from the pumpkin pulp. And we're just going to put them into a colander here. And once we have all of our seeds in, we're going to rinse them under the sink to try to rinse off as much of this pulp as we can. So don't be afraid, reach in and get your hands dirty and just look at all those seeds we're pulling out there. So there will be tons and tons and tons of seeds in every pumpkin. So one pumpkin will get you enough seeds to last you a long time. Now that your pumpkin seeds are all out of your pumpkin and into your colander, we're going to bring it over to our sink and we're going to go ahead and spray it down and just kind of rinse them until a lot of this pulp is gone. Take it and spray them. And that's all there is to it. So just drain out a lot of that water and you should be golden. After all of your seeds are washed, you're going to want to go ahead and lay them out on some paper towels real quick to absorb a little bit of that water. There we go. And so I'm just going to kind of spread around this paper towel, just like that. I'm going to grab another paper towel and put it on top. I'm just going to try to absorb some of this water. It'll help them crisp up real nicely in the oven. Don't worry about getting them perfectly dry because the oven will dry them out as well. Alright, perfect. Get all these seeds off of my paper towel here. Whoopsies, I'm spilling seeds. Alright, that's pretty good. Alright, now we're going to take a oven sheet and I'm going to spray it down with a little bit of olive oil. If you don't have olive oil, you can also use parchment paper. Basically, we're just going to try to make it so they don't stick to the sheet. So I'm going to do a real light dusting of oil there. Now I'm going to take my seeds and we're just going to kind of evenly spread them out onto this sheet. Don't worry about getting it perfect. If you got a couple seeds overlapping, not a big deal. But we're just going to pop them all on here. Let's see if we can just, in one big go right here. Look at that. I'm kind of spilling everywhere, but you guys get the idea. Oh my goodness. Alright. Alright, so once all your seeds are on your baking sheet, just go ahead and spread them out fairly evenly. There we go. Doesn't have to be crazy, but just so that they're mostly not in big clumps and not overlapping, because they'll crisp up a lot nicer that way. So I'm going to just wash my hands off real quick with this paper towel. And now what we want to do is we're going to start off with a little bit of salt. And go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of salt across all your seeds, just a little bit, you don't need a ton. Just like that. Alright, now after your salt, we're going to go ahead and do a bit of cayenne pepper. This is going to make it really spicy, it's going to be really tasty too. So again, just a light dusting, don't go crazy. This smells good. All right. And then I'm also going to do a little bit of onion powder just to give it some added flavor. I wanted to do some garlic powder, but right before I recorded this video, I realized I was completely out. But some onion powder will be pretty tasty. Look at that. All right, so these seeds look really, really good. So now we're going to go head on over to the oven. Now we're going to go ahead and set our pumpkin seeds into an oven set at 350 degrees. So, just going to open this up here and slide these puppies on in. All right, now we're going to leave them in there for about 15 minutes or so. Make sure to keep checking on them every so often because they're really easy to burn. So what we're going to do is we're going to pull them out as soon as they start turning a bit brown. Our pumpkin seeds are all done, and they are delicious. So if you guys like this video, definitely let me know down in the comments. Also, if you tried it out, let me know what you thought. I'm posting these videos every single Friday, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. I'll see you next time.